So as you can see, I've installed my wig. I just did the side part because I'm kind of over the middle part, and I think I'm just going to put it like to the side and then wear it down kind of like a 60s like mod look, or I'm gonna curl it. I haven't figured out yet what I'm gonna do, but right now I'm still working. But I've also started doing my eyebrows. I didn't laminate them. Like I said, I'm gonna laminate them tomorrow, but however, I did go ahead and trim and just kind of pluck them a little bit, so I won't have to do that once I do laminate them. And then quite honestly, I mean, I think they look good from what I did. And then a little bit, I'm gonna do my nails. My lashes are hanging on. Like I said, I did them last night, and I believe either that footage is in this video or it's its own separate video, which will be posted before this. So either way, you'll see it. You'll either see it in this video, or I'll put the link in the bio for the video of me doing the lashes. But yeah, I've already cut my cuticles, so those are all set to go. And yeah, that's it. That is it. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. We're drinking now. Espresso martini. The hostess with the mostest. So all of this up.
All right, guys,
where'd you get everything?
This tray, this beautiful tray, Dollar Tree. This tray, Dollar Tree. This tray, Dollar Tree. All this right here, rose petals, Dollar Tree. These covers over these champagne, Dollar Tree. This right here, Dollar Tree. Cover, Walmart. The food, I got it from Whole Foods, but hey, it wasn't that expensive. These flowers, Dollar Tree. These little containers, I don't even know what to call this. Vases, Dollar Tree.
I was gonna say, I have some of those from Dollar Tree.
These little, I think these are from Walmart. These little pearl things.
They have some
right
at Dollar Tree,
but they do have some at Dollar Tree. Cheap.
What about the balloons?
This is from Amazon.
Okay.
Amazon. All this is from Amazon. Amazon. What else came from Amazon? These plates.
So the most expensive thing was the balloons and the plates from Amazon.
Yes. And that was probably $15. I didn't spend more than $15 for these balloons. This backdrop right here. $15.
See?
That's it. All this together was probably $30. $30. Not including the food. Food, depends on where you go. Doesn't matter. But all the essentials, $30. $30.
So you can get you some nice party decor
for 30
on a budget.
For $30.
If you need help, hit up Princess Brett.
$30.
It'll be in the description box.
Yes.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get janked. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bruising, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bruising, bad.
First time she was in my math class, long hair, brown skin with a fat ass. Sat beside me with the lab, had mad jokes. The teacher always got mad, so we passed notes. It started off so innocent. She had a vibe and the nigga started digging it.
Okay. My dick hard.
Take up some space. You're too far away. Make no mistake. I think you should stay. You'll get every little bit. You ain't never seen a dress like this. Heaven at your fingertips. Don't you let a minute slip, just say. I've been all the spaces in the dream. It's magic when I place it in the beam. Average day is spent all in the streets. Find it when I tell you what you mean to me. Demonstrate intimate memories. Every time I give you all my energy.
Guys, it's here. I did a TikTok unboxing. I'll post the video, but I got a new camera. I'm still filming this on my phone because I wanted to show you guys the camera. I'm so excited. This is the one that I wanted. It's the Sony ZV-1. It's like the new vlogger camera, and it got the my boyfriend got the whole vlogger kit, so it came with the tripod and a memory card, and I'm so grateful. I cried. I'm just so grateful, so happy. So yeah, quality is about to go up, vlog let's go up, but I wanted to show you guys. Maybe I'll do like a full detail about the camera, but yeah, your girl's official now. I wanted to show you guys really quick. I picked up a drill from Amazon. I'll put the link in my description. Because like you guys know, I've been trying to do my own gel X. So I picked up I picked up a drill. So I'm gonna do my nails today. I'll show you. I just started, like, my actual nails are horrible. Like, look at that. But I just kind of like trim my cuticles. I need to go back and do some more to it, but yeah, I've been watching videos trying to figure out how to use this thing. This is the drill. The name. So I'm still like figuring stuff out. There we go. So I will put that in the description box, but I gotta get back to work. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Hey guys, I'm currently logging back into work from my break. I'm vlogging on my new camera. I'm probably gonna say this like 1,000 times because I'm just so excited. So I still am like getting accustomed to the settings and just like how I want everything to look visually. But yeah, so I just want to check in with you guys before I go ahead and get started. I'm not sure where this footage will end up, if this is going to be a new vlog, if it's going to be a separate vlog. I'm not sure yet, but if I haven't told you guys, it's All-Star Weekend here in Cleveland, and the events are starting today. I'm not doing all of that. I'm not really like a big club person, so a lot of the events are like club settings. I am going to the Celebrity All-Star game on Friday, but I also didn't realize it's the same day as the Bday concert. I don't know if I should look at the viewfinder or if I should look at the camera. The Bday concert is also the same day, and I really want to go, so I'm like trying to decide, do I go to the celebrity game with my friends, do I go to the concert? I don't know, but I think I most likely will just end up at the celebrity game. So that is on Friday, and then I think we're going to do something after. We're having a big brunch Saturday, and then they're going to an event in the afternoon, and then we're all meeting up again to figure out what to do for the night. My only thing is I live in Cleveland. I don't want to pay like $60, $70, $100, $40. I don't want to spend that to go to a same place that I could go to any other day. Like, I don't know. I'm just not a huge like club party person. So yeah, that's what that is. But yeah, so I will be vlogging like crazy this weekend to pick up that content, and since I have a new camera, I need to make sure that I'm actually using it. But yeah, that's it. Just want to check in with you guys, and I'll talk to you later.